Hi, my name's Robert White. I'm a gillie on the River Tay here in Scotland. This is the Catchall's Beat on the Tay at Stanley. Absolutely ideal in April just now for fly fishing for spring salmon. The other day there we had two on this particular stretch, although we haven't been lucky today. But it's absolutely perfect. School on the Catchall's Beat at Stanley that I'm fly fishing here today. This is one of my favourite pools on the Tay, especially at this time of year in April. You have a great chance of catching a salmon here on the fly. I can remember a couple of years ago catching a couple here.